All right, today we're basically going on a scientific treasure hunt. And the treasure we're looking for, it's a biological secret to healthy aging. The map, you ask? Well, it's hidden inside one of the strangest and honestly most amazing creatures on the entire planet.
I mean, it's the question we've all asked ourselves, right? It's captivated humanity forever. We try everything, diets, exercise, all the latest trends. But what if the answer wasn't really out there somewhere, but deep inside our own cells? And what if the key to unlocking it all came from a source you would never, ever expect? That's right, the key might just come from this little guy. So let's meet the hero of our story today, the naked mole rat. Okay, we've got to break this down, because this animal is a true biological marvel. A regular mouse might live, 3 years? The naked mole rat can live for over 30. That's 10 times longer. It almost never gets cancer. And here's the kicker. It doesn't just live a long time, it lives well, staying active and healthy deep into old age. So how on earth does it do it? Well, to understand the mole rat's secret, we first have to understand a really basic process of aging that happens in every single one of us. So let's zoom in, way down to the level of our individual cells. As it turns out, our cells have their own built-in security system, an alarm designed to keep us safe. But as we get older, that very same system can start to cause some pretty serious trouble. So here's the basic problem. You see, throughout our lives, our cells are under constant stress. And that stress can cause tiny little bits of our own DNA to break off and end up where they just don't belong, floating around in the cell's main area, called the cytoplasm. Now, to the cell's security system, this DNA looks like an invader, kind of like DNA from a virus. And that right there triggers the alarm. This alarm system, it has a name, the cGAS STING pathway. And you should really think of it just like a home security system. Its whole job is to detect danger, in this case, DNA in the wrong spot, and then sound a loud alarm that gets the body's defenses rallied up. It's a fantastic system for fighting off infections. The problem starts when it's constantly being tripped by our own DNA. Whoa, okay, I know this looks intense. It looks like a really complicated subway map, right? You can see all the different players here. cGAS, sting, mitochondria, the nucleus. But don't worry, we are not going to get lost in the weeds here. This entire complex process can actually be broken down into 4 pretty simple steps. It all boils down to this. First, detection. A sensor called cGAS finds that out-of-place DNA. Second, alert. cGAS sends out a little messenger molecule. Third, relay. That messenger finds and activates a protein called sting. And finally, the response. Sting kicks off the emergency protocol, flooding the area with inflammatory signals to deal with what it thinks is a threat. Now, if you're young and healthy and fighting off a virus, this system is literally a lifesaver. But what happens when this alarm is getting tripped constantly, day after day, for decades, just from the normal wear and tear of getting older? Well, that's when the protector becomes the problem. And this quote from the research illustrates the issue perfectly. That inflammatory response that gets triggered, this flood of distress signals, is, and I quote, a double-edged sword. So while it can help clear out damaged cells sometimes, having it on all the time can actually help tumors grow and spread. Not good. All this leads to a condition that scientists have a great name for, inflammaging. It's this low-grade, chronic inflammation that's just kind of smoldering throughout your body. And instead of helping, this constant state of alert just wears down our tissues and our organs, and it contributes to so many of the conditions we associate with getting older. And the impact is huge. Just look at these diagrams. Researchers have linked the overactivation of this single cGAS sting pathway to a whole mess of age-related diseases. Over here on the left, you see its role in cardiovascular problems like heart failure. And on the right, its connection to neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It's one pathway with massive consequences. Which brings us all the way back to our wrinkly little friend. See, the naked mole rat also has this cGAS STING pathway. It also deals with cellular stress. So how does it avoid this trap of inflammaging? Well, it turns out evolution gave it a brilliant little hack. And here it is. This is the big reveal. The mole rat didn't just get rid of the alarm system. That would be a terrible idea. It would leave it vulnerable to real infections. No, instead, it modified the system. It tweaked the very first step of the pathway, and that changed the outcome completely. Just take a look at this comparison, because this is the whole game right here. In you and me and in mice, when our cGAS protein detects that misplaced DNA, it triggers inflammation and it actually suppresses our cell's ability to repair its own DNA. But in the naked mole rat, cGAS does the exact opposite. It triggers less inflammation and, this is the crucial part, it actively boosts the cell's DNA repair machinery. It turns a damage signal into a repair now command.
So how did it pull off this incredible upgrade? How did it rewire such a fundamental biological pathway? You're not going to believe this. It did it with a change in just 4 amino acids. That's it. 4 tiny little changes in one protein are responsible for this massive, life-extending advantage.
So here's how the hack works, basically. This slightly different cGAS protein, it just physically sticks to the site of DNA damage for a longer amount of time. And this extra time acts like a scaffold, bringing in all the other repair proteins and helping them work way more effectively. The result is that the mole rat is just flat out better at fixing the root cause, the DNA damage, before it can trigger all that chronic damaging inflammation.
So obviously this is more than just a cool piece of animal trivia. This discovery opens up a completely new way of thinking about human health and longevity. It suggests that maybe we don't have to just accept inflammation as an inevitable part of getting older. The goal now is pretty clear. Can we develop drugs or therapies that make our own cGAS protein behave more like the naked mole rat's version? Can we somehow encourage our own cells to prioritize repair over inflammation? The research is literally just beginning, but the potential is absolutely enormous.
So let's just do a quick recap of what we've covered. Our bodies have a cellular alarm, the cGAS sting pathway, that can actually drive age-related diseases through chronic inflammation. The amazing naked mole rat evolved a tweaked version of this alarm sensor, and instead of just screaming danger, its version calls in the repair crew, fixing DNA damage way more efficiently. Understanding this biological hack could unlock a whole new generation of therapies to help all of us live not just longer, but so much healthier.
Which leaves us with this incredible, tantalizing question for the future. We've learned the secret from one of nature's true champions of longevity. The next great challenge is figuring out if we can apply that very same secret to ourselves, and in doing so, maybe redefine what it means to grow old.